Let's take a quick look at the Sandbox. Sandbox is up big today, up 16%, and it's trading at 5.92. Sandbox broke out of this very nice bull flag. If you look at this is the flagpole, and this is the flag. Broke out today on very strong value. Technically, the target should take it up to about $11 to $12. Sandbox is definitely send us this screaming buy signal, and I will do a detailed video about the Sandbox tomorrow. But right now, it has all of the ingredients to support this major run-up in price. Look at the Bollinger Band. When the Sandbox spiked up to 8.5, I mentioned that the Bollinger Band was way overextended, and the Sandbox has to retrace, consolidate to allow the Bollinger Band to contract to the point where the width of the band would be tight enough to support the next run-up. And that's what we see right now. You see how tight the width of the Bollinger Band is. A lot of momentum is being built up. That's why today we see this major spike in price. Another thing is, few days, almost 7 days prior to this major spike up in price, if you look at the candle, how short this candle were. Sandbox was very much trading at a very tight trading range. This is an indication of indecisiveness between the seller and the buyer. And then finally today, the buyer took over and they drove the price up on strong buying value. Another thing that is really important is the moving averages. The 10-day moving average was trending down, but it never crossed over and dropped below the 50 days, because if the 10-day were to cross over and drop below the 50 days, we would have expected to see more drop in price. But the last few days, when the price starting to pick up, you see the 10-day reverse direction, and now it's continued to lead the 50 days, and the gap is definitely getting wider. So all of this is indicating that the Sandbox is in the process for this major bull run that would take it up to about 11. Momentum could easily take it to about $12. I do expect to see the Sandbox trading at around $11 to $12 by the end of January or middle of February, assuming if Bitcoin continue to stabilize and trend higher. And that is what I am expecting from Bitcoin. So the Sandbox is just in the process of breaking out. It is sending out this huge buy signal. And I am aggressively accumulating the Sandbox until the price reach a max of 650. And we'll take a close look at the Sandbox sometime tomorrow. That's it for this video. And don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.